Today we will be previewing this Granada Gold 1967 Chevrolet Malibu. This car has undergone a complete restoration the year 2000, 2001. You notice the half moon eyes over the headlights. Those can be easily removed. To me, one of the most attractive hoods on the Chevrolet Malibus. This car features a turbo fire 327 with a 4-barrel quadrijet carburetor. See the disc brakes in there. The body panel and fitment on this Malibu is absolutely terrific. 235/60/15 wheels on all four corners. Tires, that is. This car fitted with a vinyl top, which still presents as new. We all fear rust underneath. This car, we have pictures of the top off before it was installed, and it's absolutely spotless. These cars are also known for rust around the back windows. This car has not had any in its history. And you can tell after 20 years it still looks terrific. All of the chrome and bright work also present as new, as you can see. The optional bumper guards. Dual exhaust, we'll hear that in just a moment. And again, these long sweeping fenders. Nice and straight. I hope you're able to see the metallic in this gold paint, just really sporty. You notice these have the shallow dish hubcaps. Now those tires are raised white letters, so if someone would like, the white letters are turned around to the inside, so those can be easily changed to the outside. And again, you can see just how straight the body is on this car. Only mark I can find on the entire body, there's a little nick right there, which can be easily touched up. We may be able to do that before the car ships out. Now this VIN code is a 136, which denotes the Malibu in 1967. This 327, not everybody understands this. This car came factory with 325 horsepower. And you can definitely feel it as you drive it. So let's fire it up here. You see modified exhaust, you got headers there, a Mallory Unilight distributor, which again enhances its performance, timing, and adjustability. This particular car is featured with both power steering and power disc brakes. Take a listen out back. That familiar growl from the 60s. Now mated to this 327 is a M21 Muncie 4-speed. Has a Hurst shifter. Now I have driven this car no less than 100 miles, which as is custom for all of our classics. Trouble-free miles, And again, the power of this car, you see the 136 VIN number. The power of this car is terrific. Not too much where you feel it will be getting away from you, and yet just enough to pin you in the seat. So you'll see bucket seats and a console. The upholstery still presents as new in every form and fashion. And this car is extremely well sorted. Everything works. I've not yet found, excuse me. From the horn, the Chevelles would have had a dash mounted tack inside. This one, an aftermarket Hundreds tack there. Aftermarket AM FM hidden radio. You can see here even the clock functions. Emergency brake is intact and works. You turn the key on and you see the brake light there on the dash, and then there's also this button for a remote trunk release. We'll head back there in just a moment. Nice solid close. I'm in the trunk here. See the factory jack, 4-way lug, spare tire. Splatter paint, 20 years old. It shows as such. You see a little bit of paint loss there. It's no big deal. Underneath we have highly detailed photos of the undercarriage, which you will be impressed with. You also see the 12-bolt rear end. It does have positive traction, 373 gears. You can also see the white letters there. The stabilizer bar for enhanced handling. The dash pad, again, everything presents as fresh and new as the restoration. They claim less than 2,000 miles having driven in this car since it was restored. I think anybody would be proud to add this Malibu to their collection. See the speakers there, and it radio functions very well. Again, two-door hard top, no post. One thing I do like about cars that have been finished a little while is how well the door rubbers and everything settle down, and this car is no exception. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this walk around of this beautiful 1967 Malibu. And again, which I did not mention earlier, this car is a numbers matching car. I do have photos and documents of the restoration, which will also be included in the photos on our website. So please take a look there. Autoworld of Conway. Good cars for good people.